Hey guys, I'm almost done with my studio. I hate that I had to take my Diamondboxx XL2 out, but I needed room. I might have to take something else out of here to get more room in here, because it's like really packed up in here and like a hoarder, like I said before. But as you can see, I got the Razer 14 blade laptop. It's got a lot of speed to it and everything like that, so I made sure I got something that'll be able to do processing easy. Plus I got the MacBook, I mean not the MacBook, but the iPad Pro, the 1TB M2, and right here we've got the Rodecaster 2. Right there we got the blue microphone, the Blueberry Blue. Right there we got the Shure SM7B, which is the standard for most people to do podcasting and stuff like this. Basically this is going to be my music studio and podcasting with humor and skits added into it and stuff like that. MacBook Pro, Galaxy tablet. I've got another one up here that mainly I'm going to use for do teleprompting up on it. So some cheap headphones right there, some old school Sony headphones right there. Then we got the nice top of the line Shure headphones right here. This is the highest model that they have, I believe. Sorry, zipping that. These are really nice. I think they're 1840, the model 1840 Shure SMB. I mean, not Shure SMB, but the Shure headphones, open back. I think they're like, what was 400 some bucks, something like that. They're pretty. My portable printer, it runs off a battery, or you can plug it into. We've got the Roland Phantom right here. Basically you can record a song, do pretty much everything just with that alone too. That's a top of the line Dale, what is it? Damn, I can't think of the name of it, but it's a 7220EX or whatever. Anyway, it's pretty powerful too, and it's thug it. Back there, look in the back right there. That's the MPCX. And basically I got the Phantom, MPCX, and all this stuff almost running into my Rodecaster 2. So hopefully soon. Oh man. Let me turn this light off back here. Okay, there we go. Hopefully pretty soon I'll start getting more videos and some music maybe, and some funny skits that I really have in my mind to put out, that I would like to put on YouTube and everything. So anyway guys, this is my music studio / podcast that I built in my truck, and that is why I took out my Diamondboxx XL2, is because I've got so much weight in this truck, and then that XL2 took up a lot of space too. So as you can see, I got way too much stuff in my truck, and I had to part with some things that I didn't really want to. I really love having that XL2, but somebody wrote me today on YouTube and wanted more videos with the XL2, and I had to tell him I took it out the truck. You know, I might put it back in if I could figure out what I'm gonna get out of this truck. I gotta do some videos with some of these. I've got so many self-defense guns that I haven't done videos with yet, so I really want to do those videos before I take a lot of this other stuff out the truck, and then probably get my Diamondboxx XL2 back in here. Put these headphones back in this case. Okay, YouTube, this is Blackout TV, and I'm out of here.